Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Bea. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox my new Canon PowerShot V10. And let's take a little review and comparison to this camera that I'm using right now, which is Canon EOS M10, and to my iPhone 13 and to this Canon PowerShot V10. Okay, I bought this camera in Virgin Megastore here in Doha. By the way, I bought the PowerShot V10 Advanced Vlogging Kit. Here's the box. Here's the outside box. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. I'm very excited because the first camera that I bought is this Canon EOS M10. Canon is really good brand for camera. So it's been 8 years that I'm using this Canon EOS M10. Okay, let's start. You will see this inside of the vlogging kit. Okay, we have here silicone lens cap for PowerShot V10, which is nice. So we can take care of our lens. Next is, okay, we have here carrying bag for Canon PowerShot V10. Wow, nice! Nice, meron na tayong ganito. Next is, okay guys, if you're going to purchase this PowerShot V10 Advanced Vlogging Kit, you will get this very windscreen for Canon PowerShot, which is nice, right? Especially outside, or if you're just going to do the sit-down vlog. For example, right now I'm having this aircon. I don't know if naririnig nyo siya dyan. But yeah, so this one can help to block some wind noise. Okay, na out of focus. We have here two fairy windscreen. Yes. This fairy is magnetic, so make sure na i-separate nyo silang ganyan. Kasi my friend bought this also, and then he was like complaining because he only got one screen, one fairy. But kahapon nung bumili kami, na-realize namin na okay, magnetic siya, so dalawa siya. This one is like for adhesive. You will put it on the camera if you're going to lagay this one. Ano? Okay, ito ay may kasama siyang parang adhesive na ilalagay mo dun sa camera. Kasi may built-in mic. Okay, next is a cage for Canon PowerShot V10 here. Okay, we have here the cage. Nice one. Para siyang case na rin, no? Pero hard. This camera cage can help to protect the camera. To protect the camera size, and also if you want to put some accessories like tripod, they have this. Now let's proceed to the exciting part, which is the camera. So here's the box. Pang thumbnail. And okay. So first we have manuals. Okay, ito ang problema ng Canon EOS M10 ko, nag-out of focus. Okay, we have here the manuals. Warranty card for 1 year. Sirain na yan habang wala pa isang taon. Joke. When you open, we have the charging cable, which is both Type-C. So yeah, you need to buy adapter. Both pin niya are Type-C. So, actually, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang liit, sobrang compact. Actually, I'm thinking to buy DJI Osmo Pocket or this. But since nakita ko yung issue ng DJI, yung sa screen nila, yeah, I decided to buy this PowerShot V10 instead of that. And this one is cheaper than DJI Osmo Pocket, but still serves good quality. Okay, yung mirror ay pwede mo rin siyang i-flip na ganyan. If you want to use it for selfie, yes, you can. And this is the lens. Some details here. Oh, this is the good part. Meron na rin siyang tripod if you just want to put like this. Okay, I got the black color. This camera has 3 colors, I believe. The white one, black, and the silver one. Okay, then this one, it's only cost for 1,499 Qatar Riyal. Convert it to peso, it's like 24 to 25,000. Which is not bad, right? Itong camera ay wala pang kasamang SD card. So, bumili pa ako ng SD card. 4K UHD SD card ng SanDisk. Okay, it's 256 gig. And yung Virgin Megastore, nagbigay sila ng bag. Freebie! Okay, guys, now let's proceed to comparison of my three devices. Okay, now I'm using my Canon EOS M10. Okay, so this is the quality of EOS and the audio. Okay, and now I'm gonna switch to my Apple iPhone 13. Okay, wait. Okay guys, now I'm using my iPhone 13 and this is the quality and the audio. I'm using the back cam, so yeah. I-judge nyo na lang. Hey guys, now I'm using my Canon PowerShot V10 and it has wide angle lens, which is good kasi sa Canon EOS M10 ko, kailangan ko pang lumayo para ma-achieve yung ganito ka-wide. This video is auto mode, so yeah. This is the quality and the audio. I put the SD card already, but the microphone and some accessories, hindi ko pa siya nilalagay. So, it's still raw. I can say that this camera is very compact and yeah, perfect for on-the-go vlogging. Perfect for those who wants to start vlogging yet shy, like me. Di ko na kailangan dalhin tong EOS M10 ko pag mag-vlog outside. Kasi this one is heavy. So, for sure gagamitin ko na ito for taking a picture. Worth it naman tong pagbili ko ng camera. Sobrang liit niya, sobrang dali niyang dalhin. Kasi yung phone, minsan nahihiya rin ako pag nagtitake ako ng video. Aminin nyo man or hindi, mas quality yung back cam. So, sometimes I use my back cam to take a video and yeah, hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko. This camera also has a built-in mic and built-in stand, which is good. And by the way, it's also touchscreen. Yeah, you can take a picture and video here, guys. So, and di rin siya nag-autofocus. Yung kagaya nung sa EOS M10 ko, hindi siya ganun. So 10 out of 10. So guys, what can you say about my new camera? And comment down below kung okay yung audio and yung quality ng camera. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!